Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 71 of 111 days verification challenge. Skill set which we are focusing on right now is system Verilog. Topic for today will be based on randomization trick codes. We had already learned about randomization in the previous day's challenge, day 69 and day 70. And I have also told you that a complete series on system Verilog randomization is already uploaded on Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel, which covers a lot of concept in system Verilog randomization along with a lot of coding example. Please go through that. It will help you understand the concepts clearly so that you can solve these challenge questions more easily. In today's question, we'll mostly cover quotes only, and you need to. All this challenge is completely based on the quotes which are on constraint randomization. Let's see today's question. I have a code. You need to find out what is the problem with this code. Let's see what the code says. You have a class packet length. You have random byte type variable packet 1 length and packet 2 length. These are two variables. Then the total length which you are saying should be such that packet length 1 and packet length 2, the total length should be equal to 64. What is the problem with this code? If you want, you can also try to execute this code and find out what is the problem. That's up to you. But the main thing is you should understand what is the problem with the code. The second question is, I have a code. You need to tell me what are the constraints which this code will generate. There is a class data size. I have a random reg variable. If you can see, 32, which has size 32, and it contains data. The constraint says that the data size should be within 1 to 10. You need to tell what will be the constraints generated. What is the output? Now I have a code where I have a class transaction. It has 32-bit data. I am saying that the data should be greater than 0 and the data should be less than 11. You need to tell what is the output. We'll see some more trick codes. Here I have some more trick codes. I have a code where I am using initial procedural block. I have a integer type variable called length. In this case, I am using rand case, if you can see. And these are the statements inside the rand case. In case you don't know about rand case, I have covered in detail. There is a complete tutorial on rand case in system Verilog randomization series. It is uploaded in Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. If you go to system Verilog randomization series, there is a video tutorial on rand case. You can go through that and you will understand what code is mentioned inside this rand case. And then finally we are ending the case and we are displaying the length. You need to tell what will be the output. For every case statement, if you can see, we are mentioning the range which it should generate. Again, I have another code. You need to tell me what is the problem with this code. The class name is bad someone, and I have a random byte length. Length is the name of the variable. It is of type byte and it is a random variable. I am keeping a constraint on length that length dot sum should be less than 1024 and length dot size should be within 1 to 8. I have a function display which is displaying the size and sum. For each I am using here because for each and every array element inside this length, I want to display the value of size and sum. So that's why I am using for each. You need to tell what is the problem with this code. If you want, as I said, you can try to run these codes. You can use free practice platforms like EDA Playground. Try to run this code and then also you can understand. But the main intent is whatever 5 trick codes I showed you today, you should be able to understand what is happening inside the code, what is the output, if there is an issue, what is the issue, how to fix that issue. All those things you should learn. Once you solve these trick codes, I feel that, and also the previous day's challenge, I feel that you will have very strong grip on system Verilog randomization. Solve these questions today, and then tomorrow again we will come up with a new challenge in day 72. Best luck for solving this.